Hi, I'm Nikisha and this is Nikita Workshop. Today we're going to be unboxing the eufy U1 UV printer.
Alright, so I've had this for a few days now actually. It came in the middle of the week, I think Wednesday. Today is Saturday, so was excited to open it, but it had to wait until today. So I had the rotary attachments and the laminating machine a few months now actually, and I have the materials that I'd purchased. I'm still waiting on some other accessories to go with this. I did get the ink that I ordered, actually 2 inks I ordered. I did receive both of them. One came before the printer and one came after the printer. The one that came before was well packaged, like it was in another box. This one came just like how you see it, with my shipping information on the side. So I will be opening that one first. The date on the ink is actually oh, maybe I won't use this one first. This one says the 15th. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not using this one first because this one expires later. This one's September 15 is going to expire. I think the other one was August. So I will be opening the other ink first before that one because this is a later one. I will open the box to make sure everything was fine in here. And I guess it looks fine. Yeah, see, these expire in September, so I'm going to use these last. So in this box, it comes with the cleaning cartridge. And it comes with the 5 inks and the gloss, which is the G. So we're going to go through the whole process of setting this up. I'll create different videos with each attachment, but of course we're going to run the main one first to see how it prints. All right, let's see what's in that big box. All right, so this is a box. So the box itself measures 29 inches across. And it is about 18 3/8 tall. The depth of the box is 15 3/8 inches. These are all measurements in inches. So the side of the box, they have instructions. So she has like Velcro straps on each side. And then we're gonna lift it off. So this is in the back. And these are this is the bed. So this was there with some quick start guide. So we have the quick start guide. We have one mat. And then the actual bed is in here. And it has a white sheet on it that says do not remove before printing test. So yeah, and that's the only thing in that box. And then we have the main printer. It has side grips. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay, that works. Whoopsies. And then that was just like the bottom of the box. So we have the openings on the bottom. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Anyways, openings on the bottom. Yeah, those are the legs. And then we have the instructions on top. And you know what, let me record this part. So on top we have another information on what was in the box. And then what's inside this machine. So the ink is separate. There's the one over there. We're gonna open that second. So yeah, and it says peel off. So we're gonna open it up. And like I said, this was what was on top. So right now, this is how it looks. Without no ink. And it has instructions on top. And that's the back. So here's everything it says. Alright, so we're gonna remove these little tabs. So the printer itself measures about 23 inches on the long side. It sits about 15, say 16 inches tall. And the depth with the doors closed is about 10 inches. Like I said, I'm estimating, it's not exact figures. So let me take off this film. Let's open the back. So now we're going to take out what was packaged on the inside. So we have the mat for this mini bed. The mini bed is actually already installed in the machine. Alright, this is the second box. Now in this box we're supposed to have the goggles, the power supply, a wrench. What's that? It says 3. Oh, it comes with 3 magnets. 3 black magnets in here. And the vent. So that's how inside looks. So here we got the goggles. Protect your eyes to protect your eyes from the UV rays. It's 2-part power supply. Allen key. And we got the magnets. So that's all that was in that second box. All right, so that's what was in the box. Oh, the inks. I gotta show you the inks. So I mentioned it a little bit, what was in it previously. This one has an expiration date of July 29, which is coming around soon. So we're going to use this one first. So we have the magenta, the yellow, the gloss, white, key black, and cyan. So that's what came in the box, plus the cleaning cartridge, of course.